In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy film cameras on eBay, a step-by-step guide aimed at helping you navigate the world of online camera shopping. Whether you're an experienced photographer looking to expand your collection, or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of analog photography, this guide will provide you with all the insights you need to make an informed purchase. First, before you even start browsing, it's important to decide on a few key preferences that will influence your search. Ask yourself what film format you're interested in. Do you prefer the classic 35mm, the larger 120 format medium, or perhaps instant film? Clarifying this will significantly narrow down your options and help you focus on what truly matters. Next, consider your brand preferences. Are you drawn to the robust builds of Canon and Nikon, the innovative designs of Pentax and Olympus, or the prestige of brands like Leica and Contax? Identifying your brand preferences will help you focus on listings that meet your expectations in terms of quality, features, and overall experience. Equally important is setting a budget. Are you looking for an affordable compact camera around $50, a more advanced SLR for about $500, or the luxury of a $1,500 Leica? Setting a clear budget will save you time and prevent potential overspending as you navigate through listings. Once you have your preferences and budget in mind, head over to ebay.com and start your search. For instance, if you're interested in a Canon A1 program, type that into the search bar and hit enter. From here, refine your search with some useful filters. Consider selecting used condition, which is common for vintage cameras. If free shipping is a priority, add that filter as well. To ensure a quicker delivery, set the item location to prioritize listings within your region. As you browse, look closely at each listing and evaluate it thoroughly by examining all of those available photos. Check for clear multiple images showing the camera body, the lens, the battery chamber, and the film compartment. Photos are your best ally in assessing the camera's condition without seeing it in person. In the listing description, pay close attention to keywords like tested, film tested, and working properly. These indicate that the seller has verified the camera's functionality. Additionally, confirm that essential features like the shutter, light meter, and viewfinder are in working order. Don't forget to scrutinize the seller's details. Click on their name to review their profile. Look for a high feedback rating, ideally 98% positive or more, and read past reviews, especially from other camera buyers. This can give you insight into their reliability and expertise. It's also beneficial if the seller specializes in vintage gear, as they might have more knowledge and experience in handling such items. Once you've found the camera that fits all your criteria, you can proceed to purchase it. Use the Buy It Now option for immediate purchase, or place a bid if you're participating in an auction. Remember to use PayPal or eBay payments to protect your purchase, providing you with an added layer of security and peace of mind. Following these steps will guide you through successfully purchasing a film camera on eBay, ensuring you make a choice that you'll be pleased with for years to come. With patience and careful research, you can find hidden gems and rare cameras that enhance your collection. Happy shopping!